मुझे सामीन नाज़रीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. This is part 14 of solution of quadratic equations, and I am doing this cube root of unity. Let us try and continue. As I have remarked already, ये 10वीं जमात का चैप्टर नंबर 1 है. चैप्टर नंबर 1 से शुरू किया हुआ है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, और 11वीं जमात में चैप्टर नंबर 4 है. दोनों में कॉमन है और ये दोनों के बेनिफिट के लिए है. अगर आप इससे कोई फ़ायदा उठा रहे हैं, सदका जारिया है, तो अपने दोस्तों को बताएं, मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इसको फैलाएं जैसे फैलाया जा सकता है, ताकि ये इल्म जो है दूसरों तक पहुँचे और दूसरे लोग जो हैं इससे फ़ायदा उठाएं. क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी का मतलब ये है कि वी आर टू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन x is equal to 1 raised to 1 over 3. To solve the equation x is equal to 1 raised to 1 over 3. Cube both sides, we get x cube is equal to 1, or x minus 1 is x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Factoring 1 x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Either of the two will be 0. So first of all, x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1. This is first cube root of the unity. Then next is x square plus x minus plus 1 equal to 0. And this gives me x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 1 का square minus 4 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. This is again equal to x is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 over 2. This is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2. These are two imaginary roots, complex conjugate pair. One is minus 1 plus under root minus 1 over 2, and the other is minus 1 minus under root minus 3 divided by 2. Now one of them is taken as omega and the other will be omega square. So the three cubes of the unity are 1 omega and omega square. We prove this property that if one is omega, the other is omega square, this square will give you this one and this square will give you this one. Let us prove this one. Minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 whole square will give you 1 plus minus 3, then minus 2 into under root minus 3 divided by 2 and you are getting this as minus 2 common, 2 common, you get minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. This cancels, and we are getting the second minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2, which is omega square. Similarly, if you square the other one, if you square this quantity, you will get this one. It will give you this one. It will give you this one. So square of 1 is equal to square of other. So this square is give you this one, and this square give you this one. So either of the three, one can be taken as omega, other will be omega square. Next property will be that omega cube must be equal to 1. And if you add three quantities, you will get this as 1 plus omega square. That will give you 1 plus minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2 plus minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2. You get this as 2 minus 1 plus under root minus 3, then minus 1 minus under root minus 3 all divided by 2. This cancels with this, this and this. This cancels with this one. You are getting a 0 over 2. That's 0. So 1 plus omega square, omega plus omega square must be equal to 0. Other relation is that omega cube must be equal to 1. These are two relations which are to be remembered and never forgot. Now we come to some of the questions, examples. Let us take this one. We will do the solved example in the next video. Solved example in the next video, please.